Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get the free trial on the Bitrix 24 website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website we have to open our account. And after opening the account, as you can see, you will be able to get the buy now option here. So we have to click on the buy now, and after clicking on that, as you can see, you will be able to see the buy a plane option here. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, we need to wait for a few seconds. Now these are the packages. If you want to buy the premium one, you can also do that. If you are buying the annually, you will get the 20% off. Now simply we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, has an option for the trial professional absolutely for free 15 days. This is the trial period for the 15 days. If you want to get this, you have to click on the free, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now you will be able to see these all options you will get, and then you have to click on there. As you can see, now these all options are provided here. You have to provide the payment details, and after providing the payment details, your trial period will be started. So in this way you can get the trial period of your Bitrix 24 website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.